In terms of civil cases, everything ultimately comes down to one thing. It's really about getting compensation, getting financial compensation for your particular injury, for your particular situation. In terms of the Zantac cases, a lot of times people are asking, is there a set payout for a Zantac lawsuit? What is the average settlement for a Zantac case? We know that these cases are still really much in their infancy as far as the litigation goes, but can you give us an idea as to the elements of damages in these cases and how they may be valued?
So like you mentioned, we're still in the earlier stages of the case. There's no cases that have settled yet. Every case is going to be different. It's going to be, the value of the case is going to be contingent on the individual diagnoses, the treatment, and the experience of that person. These are people who have cancer. Many of them are undergoing chemotherapy, invasive surgeries. Some people have lost loved ones. These are catastrophic injuries. So in a personal injury case like this, you can pursue compensation for physical and emotional pain and suffering, lost wages, lost earning capacity, if you lost a loved one, loss of society, loss of support, emotional distress. These are all things that you can legally seek compensation for. And everybody's case is going to be a little bit different based off their experiences, but these are very serious cases, and they're being treated as very serious cases.
So potentially, people could be looking at substantial damages just in terms of their past and future medical care alone in some of these situations, correct?
Exactly, and you can get the past medical expenses, which can be significant in a cancer case, future medical care, monitoring of somebody's cancer, in those cases where someone hopefully has survived and is in remission. And at the end of the day, we're alleging that lives were lost, families were ruined. These are very serious and catastrophic injuries, and that's the way this case should be treated.